Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taiwan here, and today I'm going to show you how simple it is to replace your old kitchen faucet with the brand new Moen 87966 SRS pull-down faucet. If your sink currently has one of those older pull-out styles, or maybe a side sprayer setup, you're going to love this upgrade. This faucet looks great, works smoother, and comes with a lifetime warranty. So once it's in, you're set for years? Alright, let's get started. Let's open up the box and take a look at what comes with the 87966 SRS faucet. Inside, you'll find the main faucet body with pre-attached supply lines, the pull-down spray hose and spray head, a counterweight for the hose, the mounting bracket and nut, an optional deck plate and gasket in case your old faucet had extra holes, and a small mounting tool to tighten everything underneath. Everything looks good, so let's move to the sink. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Before doing anything, turn off your water supply valves under the sink. They'll usually look like small knobs or levers. Turn them clockwise righty-tighty to shut the water off. Hot is on the left, cold is on the right. If you've got a dishwasher connection or garbage disposal nearby, don't worry, that's totally normal. Step 2. Disconnect the old faucet. Now grab a small bucket or towel. You'll get a few drips when we disconnect the water lines. Using an adjustable wrench, loosen each supply line from the shut-off valves by turning counterclockwise. Once they're loose, unscrew them by hand. Next, remove the hose clip underneath the faucet. Press both sides and pull the hose out gently. Now locate the mounting nut holding the faucet to the sink. Use your wrench to loosen it, then spin it off by hand. Once the nut's removed, go back up top. Your old faucet should now pull straight out. Step 3. Install the new faucet. Place the rubber gasket on top of the hole. The beveled edge faces up. Then feed all the faucet hoses down through the hole. Make sure the handle is facing forward and the Moen logo is centered. Step 4. Secure the faucet underneath. Under the sink, slide on the mounting bracket. The open hook side goes toward the hoses. Then thread on the mounting nut by hand. Use the included plastic tightening tool to snug it down. Before tightening all the way, check from the top to make sure the faucet is straight, then fully secure it. Pro tip: insert a screwdriver through the holes in the tightening tool to get extra leverage. Step 5. Connect the spray hose. Now, drop the pull-down hose through the faucet from the top. Underneath, remove the protective cap and snap the hose into the quick connect fitting until you hear a click. Make sure it's locked in. Give it a gentle tug to confirm. Step 6. Attach the hose weight. Find the yellow tape on the hose. That's where the weight should go. Snap the two halves of the weight together just above the hose bend. This lets the spray head retract smoothly every time you let go. Step 7. Reconnect the supply lines. Now reconnect your hot and cold lines to the shutoff valves. Start by hand, then snug them gently with your wrench, righty-tighty to tighten. Support the valve with your hand so you don't put stress on the pipes. Step 8. Test for leaks. Moment of truth. Slowly turn your water supply valves back on. Check every connection, both visually and by touch, for any leaks. If you spot a drip, tighten slightly and recheck. Now run water through the faucet for about 15 to 20 seconds to clear any air or debris. Step 9. Test the features. Screw on your spray head, hand tighten it, and give it a quick test. Try out the stream mode, spray mode, and the pause button. Everything should work smoothly. Also, make sure the hose retracts easily back into place. Step 10. Final check and wrap up. Do one last check under the sink. Make sure everything's dry and tight. No leaks. Perfect. Congratulations! You've just installed your new Moen 87966 SRS pull-down kitchen faucet. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY plumbing tutorial. If you're dealing with leaks under your sink, click the video on screen right now. I've got a full guide on how to fix those step by step. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.